To see all your recipes, click View All Recipes on the right. This opens the recipe collection, where you can browse in different ways, by category, cooking time, or just your favorites. The table highlights favorite recipes in pink and incomplete ones in orange, like those missing the number of servings or cooking time. To add a new recipe, click Create New Recipe on the homepage. Give it a name, pick a category, add servings and cooking time, and drop in a link if you found it online. We also recommend you add a picture as the cover for the recipe for easier spotting in gallery views. Then, scroll to the ingredients table. Start typing the ingredients one by one. Add the quantity and unit. And repeat until your list is done. The planner comes with more than 230 ingredients built in, but if one isn't there, you can add it once by typing its name and choosing New Ingredient in Ingredients Database, and it will show up in future searches. Below the table, you'll find the instructions area. Write them as simple or as detailed as you like. Now, when you edit a meal, you can select the new recipe right away. A quick tip: you can also create a recipe directly from a meal page. Just type the recipe name, hit New Recipe in Recipe Collection Database, and then open it to fill in the details. To remove a recipe completely, open the collection, find it, and delete it by selecting it and pressing the trash icon. You can also use the three-dot menu while editing it to move a recipe to trash. That's it. Viewing, adding, and editing recipes is simple, and everything connects smoothly to your meals and grocery list. To get more help about Organization Oasis Notion Meal Planner, check the help and video guides at the bottom of the homepage.